Hi, Joe here with Edge Animated Interiors. Today I'm going to show you how to install this pull-out drawer. It's an easy step-by-step process. Place the pull-out drawer inside the cabinet. The tools you need are tape measure, pencil, and a drill. Center your drawer in the cabinet opening. Push the drawer back enough where it's not touching the door when the cabinet door is closed. Measure from the wall to have the same space on the front and back of the slides between the wall. Once the drawer is centered, use the pencil to mark it where the brackets will be installed. This drawer has L-shaped metal brackets for bottom installation attached to the slides already. Next step, simply pull out your drawer and keep the slides in place. Pull out the drawer and just by clicking on these levelers on the bottom of the drawer, pull the drawer out. Once the drawer is out, next to the brackets where the screws will be installed, use the pencil mark as the guide to assure the proper positioning of the slides. Install front and back screws. Adjust the other side. Make sure the front of the slide is in the same position as the other slide. Measure the space between the slides to ensure proper spacing and alignment of the slides. Place the drawer on the slides and push the drawer in until the slides engage with the brackets, and the rear pins fit into the pre-drilled holes for the slides in the back of the drawer, as you see it here on the video. Now the drawer is installed. Simply double check for the drawer not to touch the door and enjoy your new pull-out. Feel free to go to our website and learn more about our beautiful maple pull-out drawers. Thank you for watching this video.